Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nafrulza Ardina binti Izamriz. My number matrix is AA220403. So now I want to present about objective of food waste. So it is which is be able to distinguish the types and characteristics of biomass and the products it will produce. And secondly, learn how food waste can produce energy that is useful in everyday life. And thirdly, know the method of converting food waste into energy and also the resources of the energy.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amira Sabrina binti Azman and my matrix number is AA220872. I would like to talk about introduction of biomass energy in food waste. Biomass is a material obtained from plants that use sunlight to grow. The sun contains energy that originated in biomass through the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide in the air is converted into other molecules containing carbon. For generating electricity by using waste materials, it can burn anything and then the pollution starts generating, so it uses pollution control filter for controlling carbon pollution, so when carbon cross to filter, then we store the carbon. Biomass also comes from a variety of sources which include municipal solid waste. Solid waste refers to any type of garbage, refuse or unwanted material. Solid waste either can be disposed of or not disposed of depending on the components that are used. If we try to achieve electricity from solid waste, the basic principle is included in this conversion of heat energy into electrical energy by working on a simple photoelectric effect. Since generation of electricity from heat causes air pollution that is connected to a catalytic converter. As environmental impacts occur across the life cycle of food products, food waste at the consumer level presents the highest burden. In an effort to reduce the growing problem of food waste disposal, researchers are focusing on developing new technologies that use food waste to generate clean energy. Many household waste are collected each year, with the vast majority disposed of in open fields. Food waste can be converted into energy by direct combustion or by natural anaerobic digestion in the engineered landfill. The organic fraction of food waste can be anaerobic stabilized in a high-rate digester to obtain biogas for electricity or steam generation. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fajazla Kapita Auzi. My matrix number is AA222139. Today I would like to talk about source of alternative energy for food waste. Biomass is organic matter and food waste fall into this category. However, to convert food waste into energy, certain process must be followed. But we now recycle organic waste. Converting food waste into energy seems to be the fastest solution we are looking for in terms of future energy. Converting food waste into energy allows us to generate renewable energy. When food waste decomposes, methane is released into the atmosphere. One of the most dangerous and powerful greenhouse gases produced is methane. But methane gas produced by irrigation can be used to generate electricity, transportation fuel, and heat.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nura Asma Akila and I will present for advantage and disadvantages part. What we already know is this biomass, which is food waste, has its own advantage and disadvantages. The advantage of food waste is a renewable energy source because the energy comes from the life cycle. So what we can say is this source can be finished because of the activities of plant and humans are continuously producing food waste. After that, this source is less polluting compared to fossil fuels, so it reduces Ultimately, this means higher power consumption when adding processes. Furthermore, generating the same amount of energy requires more biofuel than fossil fuel, so more space is needed to store them. Cost of the using biomass increase when transporting and storage are difficult, and there are more advantages and disadvantages of biomass for food waste that are not mentioned, but so far only for me. Thank you.
The system design of alternative energy that used for food waste is an aerobic digester machine. Food waste will be processed to be used as an energy source using an aerobic digester. First of all, the food waste that is collected will be treated through heat and pasteurized process to eliminate any potential pathogens. In this process, the microorganisms, which is bacteria, will break down the food waste. This process will produce two main products, which is biogas and digestate. What is biogas and digestate? Biogas is gas that releases methane into the air when something like food waste decomposes. Meanwhile, digestate is nutrient-rich mixture that usually contain water and organic material. The methane gas can be used to generate fuel for the transportation, heat, and mostly used to generate electricity. For digestate, it is used as fertilizer for crops and soil conditioner.
So now I will present about application of alternative energy in real world. Methane gas, one of the results produced by food waste, is used for the kitchen and turns on the electric generator. First, tire compound material. As a result of the incomplete combustion of methane gas, it produces black carbon, which is then used as rubber reinforcement in vehicles' tires. Second, as vehicles fuel. Third, useful as fertilizer. The containing methane gas will make it contain protein, lignin, cellulose, and other substances needed by plants, which of course are not produced by chemical fertilizers, but its use is better after the methane gas is gone. So, conclusion of the food waste is caused by people in developed countries which are not valuing food, lack of technologies, and poor infrastructure in developing countries, poor distribution methods of food, as well as waste during cultivation and harvest. It has a significant effect on the environment, economy, and even has social impact. All these amounts of food thrown away is wasting the natural resources of this world and also lots of space needed for landfilling. Money is wasted when food is wasted, which has economic impacts in countries all around the world. Social impacts such as different types of health effects on people of both poor countries as well as developed countries. It even gives the countries a bad impression when they have high amounts of food wastage. Therefore, it is very important to take necessary steps to prevent food waste. Campaigns can be arranged to help raise awareness. Food can be recycled so that it can be converted to something else instead of going to waste, and even establishing laws such as banning supermarkets from getting rid of their unsold products worldwide can help to reduce food wastage.